Hello everyone, this is Jackie from Titan Vehicle. Today we'd like to introduce our low bed trailer for you. This is a detachable gooseneck model, and here is our company logo. You can search us on the internet. And this one is a 130 tons model. It is for the heavy duty machinery transport. You can see here, the gooseneck could be detached from here. So the machinery could be loading from the front part, and this is the ramp. The length of this trailer is about 18 meters, so it is very long. And you can see the working platform. It is very durable and very strong. And the side beam here, the side beam you can see, it is very strong. And this is the extension part, so it can turn out and put the extender plate on here. The working platform is about 10 meters. And this model is 3 lines and 6 axles to ensure the loading capacity. And it can also handle the very difficult road condition during the transport. The tire we adopted the triangle brand. It is a very famous brand in China. And you can see the suspension here. We adopted the heavy duty suspension. It can help the trailer to handle the difficult road condition. The loading capacity total is 130 tons. Okay, more details, please visit our website www.titanvehicle.com. Welcome your inquiry. Thank you.